Hi smart marketers, welcome to a new video of Tech the Market. Today in this video, I'll talk about Google Ads auction process. For the discussion, I'll need a keyword. Here, the t-shirt price is a popular keyword which I will use for the discussion. In the table, the first column advertiser, there are 5 t-shirt brands: Hugo Boss, Aarong, Lucky, Puma and Guess. In the second column, max CPC, this is 5 for Hugo Boss. It means Hugo Boss is ready to pay $5 for per clicks. So the actual CPC will be within this max CPC. Then the quality score. This score is assigned by Google and on a scale of 10. Now let me explain what is quality score. Let me explain it with an illustration. Here you see the illustration. There are names of 6 criteria. These 6 criteria are just a part of so many other criteria. Google will analyze and take into consider hundreds of criteria to score you on quality score. But these 6 criteria are most important and much discussed. Click-through rate. The higher your click-through rate, you are likely to get a higher quality score. Historical performance, overall account quality, ad copy relevance. Whatever you write in the ad copy, this should be relevant with the keywords and landing page, the description in the landing page about products and other attributes. So your ad copy should have a match with all these informations. And your keywords, it should have a closer match with the searches made by the people. And the loading speed of landing page should be minimal. The navigation should be smooth, and the description and attributes of products should contain all the keywords and informations from ad copies. When you excel in all these 4 criteria, you are likely to get a higher quality score. Now let's go back to the table. Suppose 9 is the quality score for Hugo Boss. The ad rank will be the multiplication of CPC and quality score, which is 45 here. The same formula or the procedure will be followed for the others. For Aarong, the ad rank is 32, Lucky 40, for Puma it is 55, which is the highest ad rank, and 32, this is the lowest ad rank. Now let's learn how to calculate actual CPC. This is the formula for actual CPC. Ad rank of competitor below you will be divided by your quality score, and 1 cent will be added. This 1 cent is added for maintaining the hierarchical position. The minimal cost is added. Now let's calculate the actual CPC of Puma. To calculate it, we have to find who is just below Puma. Puma is 54 and the second position holder, this is Hugo Boss, 55. So this 55 will be divided by the quality score of Puma 9, and 1 cent will be added, and thus we find $5.01. So this is the actual cost of Puma. Now let's find the actual CPC of Hugo Boss in the same way. We have to find who is just below Hugo Boss, 40. So 40 will be divided by the quality score of Hugo Boss 9, and then 1 cent will be added, thus $4.45. This is the actual cost of Hugo Boss. This is how actual CPC is calculated. There is a question always made when there is a discussion about Google's auction process. The question is, what happens to the lowest ad rank holder, as there is no one below it to follow this formula. To understand this, we have to know what is actually ad rank threshold. Here the quality score for Aarong is 8, just make it 5, and the ad rank will be 4 times 5, which is 20. Now if you notice, the highest ad rank, which is 54, and the lowest ad rank 20, there is a huge difference. The same difference will be found in the ad quality of these two. In this case, this low quality ad will disturb the viewers. So the viewers will be irritated by these irrelevant ads, low quality ads. Maybe visuals will be of low resolutions. The ad copy will be out of context. For all this, the overall experience of ads will be terrible for the viewers. To avoid this scenario, Google Ads has made the provisions to set a minimum ad rank, which is called ad rank threshold. Suppose for this keyword, the ad rank threshold is 30. Then Arong with ad rank 20 will not qualify for this auction process. Any ad with ad rank below 30 will disqualify for this keyword to take part in the auction process. Now let's make the quality score of Arong as it was previously, and the ad rank will be 32. Now it qualifies for the auction process, and the actual CPC will be calculated with this formula, ad rank threshold, and it will be divided by quality score, and 1 cent will be added. And if we calculate the actual CPC of Arong, we have to divide the ad rank threshold 30 by the quality score 8, and then 1 cent will be added. The actual CPC will be $3.76. This is how actual CPC is calculated. And another thing, you must notice that the quality score plays a very vital role in this game. The higher your quality score is, the lower your CPC is. The lower your quality score is, the higher your CPC is. That's why we have to put more importance on quality score. We have to work with all these fields and improve in every aspects, in every fields, so that we get a better quality score. When we will get this high quality score, our CPC, actual CPC, will always be lower, and that will help our business to grow faster. This is all for today's video. If you think this video has been of any use to you, please share it with your friends and family. Like the video and subscribe the channel. Thank you.